Good morning. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I am here at 1900 Westridge Terrace in the Brentwood area, and I am preparing to perform a video examination of the main sewer line here on the property. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focusing on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I am going to be performing my examination today from this 4-inch cleanout that we found here next to the driveway, on the left side of the driveway, out in front of the garage here. This is a pipe sticking up that has a 4-inch cap that drops down into the main sewer pipe. Now, this cleanout is further away from the structure than would be standard. Normally we're going to want to get in about 2 feet from the building, and our pipe's actually exiting over here somewhere, coming straight out and tying into this cleanout. Now, commonly in this situation, we'll go ahead and try and get up on the roof, drop down through a waste vent, or remove a toilet. The vents themselves wouldn't work, and these toilets are not ones that we are really equipped or comfortable in removing. So we'll go ahead and examine the line from here, and we'll make some recommendations for cleanings and follow-ups because of some of the conditions we found. And I would suggest also having a plumber come and remove one of those toilets for the follow-up, just so we can get a look at all of the piping. We'll go ahead and drop in here. And as we drop in, we're entering into a modern plastic piping. We're making a right turn here. Kind of run out under the driveway towards the driveway apron, the end of the driveway. There's a second cleanout. There's a 6-inch cleanout there for the lateral portion under the street. Now, these modern plastic piping materials, they are expected to have a long service life. They have a smooth inner surface which allows for very high washout capabilities. In other words, they don't tend to collect debris and have a high potential for blockages. And these plastic pipes are also intended to be impervious to root intrusions, the way the pipe sections are connected. They're about 25 feet in. We're changing from the modern plastic to our vitrified clay. As soon as we change to that clay, we see we've got some pretty significant root intrusions here. Now, root intrusions at the joint areas of these older clay pipes is fairly common. Normally we are going to be suggesting that they can be maintained with regular sewer line cleanings. It's when they're left unmaintained for extended periods that they can create blockages in a system, and they can also potentially damage the pipe. In this particular area, obviously you can see it's taking up most of the inner area of the pipe and very near the point of causing a blockage. There's just enough room for us to kind of punch our camera through. So really we can't see the condition of those connections there, see if the roots have actually caused any damage. Also, being that we're near the point of blockage, it would be a good idea to make sure that it is cleared. Since we can't see too well there, that's the reason we're going to recommend the cleaning and the follow-up. And I think it would be a good idea to have one of those toilets removed for us when we come to do the follow-up, so that we can look at this other section of the pipe between the structure and the cleanout. We are coming up on some more what I would call common roots at a joint area. This is a good example of common root intrusion. But again, maintenance and monitoring of these areas is recommended. And then here we're running basically right into the public service manhole out in the middle of the cul-de-sac. So we pushed about 60 feet from this cleanout. And that's basically all we're going to be able to look at today. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video portion of today's examination. please do refer to my written report for the final findings and recommendations. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.